he just want to go. He just want to go, but there's too many cars, man. He just want to sand it, but all these cars are just... I'm going to try to go in the other lane and try to get some... I don't know if y'all can hear the exhaust from here, but I think that's my boy from the gym. That has to be him. I think he's the one with the scat bag like this, with the black one. With the black one, the blue one, and those black stripes. Give me that free lane. Yeah, I like that. Woo! Oh man, it's like you're making me book. Oh, fuck that car behind me, bro. Oh, it's Scat back booking, bro. He's not about to send it again, y'all. You know what I mean? Yes, sir. That thing sound good, bro. I'm not gonna lie. You probably know. That's the guy from the gym, y'all. That's the guy from the gym. He knows. He knows I'm recording, bro. I want to go behind that car there, but I don't want it. He's not about to send it, y'all. He's not about to send it hard. He's not about to send it hard, y'all. Yeah, what's up, girl? What's up? With your little freaking... whatever the heck that Corolla thing is. Oh, we got a bike over there coming all hot. Oh, shit. Alright, Scotty, let me see what you got. Oh, man. Oh, man, I don't want to go. I'm your one hand right now, bro. That man was booking that shit. Woo. I'm coming for you, brother. Oh, he's out. No, he's not. Try to get a better shot. Let me see if I can get a pull from him. Oh, that freaking car! I wish it was me. Ooh. Alright, y'all. He's about to freaking give that car a little taste. Come on. There you go. Real quick, bro. Come on. We gotta pull. Let me get a pull real quick, bro. Let me get something, bro. Oh! That thing. Oh! That thing hot. That thing is hot. Woo! Oh, shit. That window down. Yes, sir. That thing is hot, bro. Damn. That thing is hot, bro. Thank you, man. Then get a little rev. Woo. 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 God damn. Alright, y'all, I got a dip, you know what I mean? I already feel the guy for a long time, you know what I mean? I'm gonna end the video right there. I'm gonna end the video right there. Man, do something crazy right now before I end that video, bro. Let me see something crazy, bro. Something crazy, bro. Oh, that's a different guy. That's not a guy from the gym. That's a different guy. Unless if you gave him the car or some shit, but that thing is nice. That thing sounds mean as hell. It's aggressive, bro. And do something crazy right now before I end the video, bro. Do something crazy for me real quick. Yes, sir. Man, there's nobody out here, bro. There's barely any cars, man. You know what I mean? The various shit is crazy, man. There's nobody on the street. It's freaking empty right now. This light takes forever, y'all. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna show you guys around over here. There's not much. Man, I can't wait to get my SRT8. That thing is a beast. Woo! No, we're leaving out here, bro. You know what I mean? Alright, y'all. I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna let the guy go home. You know what I mean? I'm gonna end the video right there. Catch you later, bro. If you see on YouTube, I'm that motherfucker.